Does it matter? 4-1, 4-2, 4-3? I don't think so. ये एक डेड रबर गेम था, ये हम जानते हैं. We can't be hypocritical about it, we can't be emotional about it, and that's a fact. Only thing that matters कि youngsters को 90 मिनट मिले खेलने को. Period. Chido, Harry Amas, Fredrickson, Torgu, you should remember these names and just think कि इन प्लेयर्स को, इन यूथ प्लेयर्स को एक फुल 90 मिनट मिला है गेम खेलने के लिए, एंड दैट शुड बी इट. जस्ट ट्रीटेड एज अ प्री सीजन फ्रेंडली, treated as warm-up games before the 25-26 season, and that's it. Another positive, अमाद इतनी क्रिटिकल इंजरी के बाद वापस आता है और एक प्यारा गोल मारता है. गर्नाचो इतना लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस रहने के बाद, इतने सारे शॉट्स मारने के बाद फाइनली आउटसाइड द बॉक्स एक प्यारा गोल मारता है. एंड मेसन माउंट कमिंग आउट ऑफ इंजरी, starting instead of Bruno, and then scoring that beautiful goal. I think those should be the only positives. And I think the biggest negative of this game, वो हार से बड़ा डिलीट की इंजरी है. एंड आई थिंक वी वर बिट अनफॉर्चुनेट पहले 2 गोल्स में. आई थिंक लुक शॉ वॉज ऑन अ मिशन टू गेट ओन गोल एंड इवेंचुअली उसको मिल गया. एंड सेकेंड गोल आई थिंक दैट वॉज अ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट इंजरी, एंड देन अगेन लॉन्ग बॉल and we conceded that goal. But I was glad that Ruben was not tempted to bring in Casemiro या Bruno. उनको full rest मिला है. They'll be getting rest for an entire week, and that's what we need. We want our best players coming on Thursday. कोई like silly business नहीं, कोई भी surprises नहीं. Comfortable win चाहिए Thursday को. What we need is May 21st Europa League. That's it. 17th आते हो, 15th आते हो. It really doesn't matter. And I think Brentford was more hungry. This is a team which is playing for its place in Europe competition. So it makes sense, right, for them to attack more, to be hungry more. For us, it was just giving opportunity to youngsters and getting something out of it. And I think जो आखिरी के 2 गोल हुए हैं, that showed the potential of this team, that showed the character of this team, especially 70th minute के बाद the way we fought, the way we gave fight, that really shows the character of this team. And I was impressed that okay, the scoreline doesn't look that bad, 4-3. Yes, we did lose, but we didn't put our guard down, right? We still fought, and that showed the positive which everyone should take away from this game. Let's have the reality check, guys. We are Manchester United. We are too big. Just get out of that mentality for some time, at least for this season. Have the scale really high. We all have that benchmark ऊपर होना चाहिए, पर कभी-कभी रियलिटी चेक बहुत ज़रूरी है. और रियलिटी चेक इस टाइम पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ यूरोपा लीग है और कुछ भी नहीं है. That's it.